FIL is more than just a chemical company.
They're willing to get their hands dirty and help achieve your goals. Mastitis was affecting our farming operation in a big way. We sort of got halfway through calving and realised that was out of our hands and we needed outside help, which is hard to ask for sometimes, and you think you know what you're doing. So we called the local FIL rep and they came down and showed us the importance of spending the time of our mums coming in, the first milking and the procedures involved around the cleanliness. We got the area rep in to do a staff training course, help them understand the procedures we were about to put in place, why they were important. The staff really responded to being told things from an outside perspective.
A professional
Rather
not
than
just the boss.
Staff training at the start helped because a lot of us weren't actually applying teat spray correctly. You can teat spray all you want, but if you got your mix wrong, then it's not going to be as accurate. So we've got these fancy buckets from FIL that actually have the measurements on them, how much water, how much teat spray and how much teat conditioner, and it's just so easy, like it's pretty foolproof. Anyone can fill up the teat spray now. We didn't realise until we went with FIL that the support you get is part of the package, and you just can't even put a price on that, honestly.